Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add to your story on your account on Snapchat easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, you will see here add to my story, click on it, and here as you see you can choose anything from your camera roll or from your memories, and that's it. That's how to add to your story easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.